Good morning. We have made it to the Magic Kingdom. We are here early, just like a lot of other people, as you can see. We are going to attempt to do rope drop. So let's see how this goes. Haven't done this in a long time, but I am looking forward to it.
To your vehicle now. Thank you and welcome aboard.
Look at the line just seeing through security. It's crazy. Looks like a pretty big line forming at the monorail. Not so much at the ferry boat.
Good morning, Belle.
He said good morning, Belle. Say good morning. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. I'm going to wave up there.
Please continue to move all the way forward.
We just got over here to the Magic Kingdom, and as you can see, pretty busy. I'm gonna go over here to the left because these lines look a tad bit shorter before that rush of monorail people get over here. And of course there's always the pass holder line, which is a little shorter. I feel like a
what?
sardine.
So me and Davey are on Barnstormer. We're trying our best to fit.
It's a roomy coaster. There's a lot of room.
Definitely. Oh, I think we broke it. So this is going to be very interesting. I'm holding on. It could be burning the two of us. Okay, so no, this is a nice drop. See, this is a kid drop. We got this. This is very doable. We're good. Oh, okay, that was a little rough. We're too big back squeezing into a chair.
Oh,
Baby, oh, he's crushing me.
oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. That's a lot of fun. Hey, you're waving at me. Oh, okay. It's not bad. It's just that me and Davey don't fit.
Whoa.
Alrighty.
So,
No, I'm with Davey. Whoever wants someone to be on this ride with, I think it would be Davey. Okay, that's not bad. That's not a drop. Oh, okay. Makes sense a little. We're good. Oh, hey yo, wait a minute.
This thing is swinging.
This is not universal. Oh, what's with the aggression? Take me out to eat first. Oh my god. Oh, okay. That was rough. Oh, we gotta hold it down. Oh, right here. Oh, yes, not that bad, is it? No, we're good.
Oh no.
I hope it's everywhere we go.
Oh, I know it's right.
I hope. I hope. Wait a minute. Oh, I'm good. You good? Wait a minute. Don't knock me off. I want to live.
Why were? Oh my.
Yo, that was a
Oh no. I didn't know it was gonna swing like that.
Look, it's my mother-in-law.
That's probably how I look down the hill.
Baby, you're red. Baby, you okay?
Yeah, that was good.
All right, guys. Until next time. Oh my god. Oh, thank you for the laugh.
I didn't know it was gonna. You know what it is? But we had a good amount of weight.
That's good though.
You gotta swing. Wait, can we?
Wait, can we swing it? Oh my god, we can. Oh my god, you can swing it.
So just wanted to point out real quick. Check out the Haunted Mansion. Some wallpaper up. I guess they're working on the mansion. Can't wait to see what it's gonna look like when they're done, because this is always gonna be one of my favorite attractions. And if you're wondering what the wait time looks like during the summer, here you go. It goes all the way back there. How hot would you say it is today?
I'm gonna say it feels like almost 90.
At least. With that said, guys, I have a plan. I haven't said it to anybody, but I'm gonna let you guys know now. I'm moving to Canada. Just kidding. It's just really hot. I don't know how people do theme parks. I love theme parks, but during the summer, I melt. How do you do it? I don't know how he does it.
I hate being hot. Like, I despise being hot.
This dude right here, he lives and breathes amusement parks, even more than I do. Mad props to you. I don't know how you do it.
How much is ice?
I used to.
Bears out here.
Where?
Right here in front of you. And
Oh my
very
goodness.
soon.
Let me shut up about how hot I am. Oh, that one wants a kiss. I love the hairdo. Oh, look at this one. If I was a bear, that's what I would look like. That's me.
Oh. Look up. Melting, he's melting.
He's very hot. I know I would be. Check out all that construction. Hello. One of my favorite coasters here. I'm excited. One of my favorites. This isn't my favorite, but do you know what my favorite is?
Tron?
Did you see Tron?
Yes.
Is that the coaster that's like over in 15 seconds?
Yes. And you wait 2 days to get on it.
Guys, what is my favorite coaster? I hit 5,000 rides on it last year. What is
It's
it?
Space Mountain, bro.
Oh, there you go. Someone remembers. It's a going.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, that's
Don't watch your kid. Mickey Mouse will. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the wildest ride in the wilderness. Unfortunately, my face will not be shown because for this one, you guys are gonna know. Okay, we're good? Oh, hey, yo! Hey, yo! Oh, man. It really is the wildest ride in the wilderness.
That was good. That was good.
And now we're going up. Baby, you good?
Yeah, I was laughing the whole time. This is the vibe.
It's a lot.
Oh, wow. We're going higher.
Oh, you thought that was it?
Oh, wow.
Oh, here we go.
Lordy.
No, it's not that bad, right? There's no way of thinking like... Oh my God! Yo! Okay, we're good. Oh, we're good. No, we're not!
Whoa.
My caboose is not on the caboose! a good thing I didn't overreact. Oh! Oh! Hey, yo! Whoa, whoa, both. Them both are hot.
Oh,
Them both are hot.
I think we blew a tire.
Woo. We blew something. We blew something.
Oh, that's what it was. It was a blasting area. There was warning signs.
How was that? I mean, how was that?
Amazing. I love it. I think it was a lot smoother. It really was. I liked it.
Yeah, now, you know, you guys can't tell by the yelling that we did, but it was a bit smoother, yes?
A little bit. A little bit.
And we're back.
Time to head out. It's been a good day though. So filming went really good today. It was a good day. I was not successful at making it in time for rope drop, but it was really, really nice to hang out with my good friend. I think we caught a bunch of good rides, all the coasters, and it was a decent half day. It's about 2 o'clock and I'm heading out for the day. Going to take advantage of some overtime hours at my current job. So as you all know, I do this, but I also, you know, have a regular job as well. So if I have the opportunity for overtime, I take advantage of that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, until next time, bye so forever, and see you later. There goes the monorail.